Yeah, guys, keep on watching this Maka Mugenda with the Nyatiti. Yeah, God will. Kanu. Jackson also in the vibe. Keep on watching. Wanaume, kuna ingine iko kwa njia hii yetu imeisha. Sasa kuna ingine nataka hii sasa tuweke tu kwa pending. Kuna ingine nilisha order. This one. Just 1 minute, guys, for those who are watching. Just 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. Don't move. Mimi jamani nimemtuma. Calvo. Guys, for those who are watching in YouTube, this marker, the instrument is Nyatiti. Keep on watching. This is the thing I'm playing now. The instrument I'm playing. Diritu David, Mary, Lois, this Maka Mugenda playing traditional instrument called Nyatiti. Odiambo gipenja, yeah, Okinyi gipenja, Godwin, Nijo gipenja, Ninangaling kamatu, yeah, hey, Ninangaling kamatu. Put down your comment, guys, if you have any questions. This is Maka Mugenda. Okinyi gipenja, Joshua. If you wanna, 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 yeah. If you wanna be successful, Mary, you better be silent, Mary. If you wanna be successful, Mary, accord. If you wanna be successful, Mary, it a soul. You better be silent. Yeah. What do they know they kill? What do they think they'll talk about? Call me the Dawn. Are you getting the vibe? Put down your comment. This Maka Mugenda with Nyatiti, African guitar. What do they know they'll kill? Yeah. Let me tell you, Mary Mama, I know Are you getting married? This is Maka Mugenda playing Nyatiti. This is a morning vibe. Tell me your name if you are on YouTube. I'll sing for you, make you a day more sweeter. If you wanna be successful, if you wanna be successful, if you wanna be successful, my brother, you better be silent, you better be silent, you better be silent. What they know they kill, what they think will talk, what they know they'll kill, yeah. What they know they kill. Mary, any plan you have. If you want share your problem, if you want share your problem, if you want share your idea, hey, you better share with God, Mary. If you wanna be successful, you better be silent, Charlie B. If you wanna be a loser, you better talk too much, yeah. Choco, I see chocolate also in the vibe. Let me tell you, chocolate, if you wanna be successful, you better be silent. What they know they kill, what they think they'll talk about, yeah. Chief Don, Omi Yogi Peja, are you ready? Omi Yogi Peja, subscribe on YouTube, guys. Omi Yogi Peja, yeah. Okinyi Peja, Otieno Peja, hello. Ololo Baba, Ololo Mary, yeah. Are you gathering, guys? This is Maka Mugenda with the traditional instrument called Nyatiti. You have to dance because it's a Saturday edition with Maka. Check on YouTube, subscribe. Zilla, 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 zilla. I see chocolate also in the bar. Yeah. Mara jongi jana, Sano, Mara jongi jana, Elijah, Mara jongi jana, yeah. Sami dera ya kinegi, Sami chwe joyo turuaki, yeah. Sami dera ya kinegi, Sami chwe ya turuaki, Sami chandori, yeah. Sami di mabe, idonje illuminati, zila. Oh mio, yeah. Oh mio, lo, give me more. Oh mio, lo, give me more. Yeah. Well, Katum ema mimo, yeah, kulawaya. Katum ema mimo, when music bring happiness. My brother dance so, Chief Baba dance so, yeah. This Nyatiti is an 8-string instrument, yeah. Put down your comment. Kakongo ema mimo, we know. Mad Madgono, Madgono. Ajawa ema mimo, dansa jawa. Abongo ema mimo, yeah. Hapista, zila he, yeah. They know engineer they know. On the vibe, on the vibe, zila danso. No pesa mune noni, pesa ngechenge. Yeah, money. No pesa mune noni, pesa ngechenge. Luchiende duare, kanisa vende duare. Kionge kodu pesa, ngama devi yonge. Yeah, akane, nidakane, nidakane. Yeah! Guys, thank you so much, guys. This is Maka Muganda with a special vibe. It's a morning vibe. Keep on watching. Raduse! I see Radus. Happy Easter to you. Happy Easter to you. Happy Easter to you guys. Happy Easter to you. Happy Easter to you, my brother. Happy Easter to you. Yeah. Yeah, check. Keep on watching this Maka Muganda. Yeah, we are vibing, guys.